In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of connecting our three-phase hybrid inverter and battery management system to our solar power system. In our sample system, the photovoltaic modules are already mounted on the roof, wired, and all string cables are prepared. The connectors for the inverter are included in the delivery. Here we see a string with pre-assembled connectors, which are now connected to the plus and minus MPPT terminals of the inverter. Now let's move on to the battery storage. Let's first connect the power cables between the battery and the inverter. The battery storage consists of a base on which the battery modules are stacked. The base not only provides stability, but also closes the battery circuit. On top is the battery management system, or shortly BMS. When setting up the storage, make sure the environment is dry and the surface is solid. To connect the storage to the inverter, we use the plus and minus terminals. For this, crimp the MC4 connectors provided in the package onto your DC cables. For connection to the inverter, the cable must still be fitted with the blue connectors included in the delivery. Pay attention to the polarity. Then, the plus and minus cables are connected to the labeled terminals on the inverter. Then, we connect the communication lines between the devices. On the inverter, the battery communication cable is connected to the BMS socket. In the final step, the grounding connection of the storage system must be established. A 2-meter-long pre-assembled cable is included for this purpose. After the strings and battery storage are connected, we turn to the AC side. Both grid and backup connectors are available. Both of them come with a 5-pin cable. Plug the connector into the socket and twist until it clicks. In this example configuration, the AC backup connection is not directly connected to the house distribution box. In practice, backup port would be in a dedicated area of the distribution box. Here are the circuit breakers for the inverter, as well as the smart meter and the current transformers, which are also included. When connecting the current transformers to the top of the smart meter, make sure that the arrow directions of all 3 transformers point towards the grid to correctly record consumption and feed in. So you should make sure that the 3 phases must be correctly connected to the smart meter. The power supply is connected to the bottom of the meter. In the next step, we must establish the communication between the smart meter and the inverter. For this, we use the Modbus communication cable. You will find it in the package. We connect it to the TXA and TXB terminals and then connect it to the inverter using the meter socket. This establishes the communication between the inverter and both the battery storage and the smart meter. After all communication cables are connected to the inverter, we mount the cover and screw it on. Pay special attention to the rubber seals to protect the inverter from dust and water ingress. You can commission the inverter through a Bluetooth connection. The connection offers several options for further configuration of the device or connection to the cloud. You can use an existing Wi-Fi network or connect a LAN cable directly to the data logger. To be able to get remote access or use the app, a Wi-Fi or LAN connection to the cloud is mandatory. We explain this process in another video. Please check out our channel. Finally, the inverter is connected to the earth. So, to sum it all up, we've now connected both the earth and the 2 AC sides, plus we've installed the data logger and connected the communication cables to the battery and smart meter, all connected to the inverter. And that's it, our system is complete. For more information about our inverters, please visit our website.